Okay, hi guys! Hi class! So for today's video, it's all about Chachachá. So I'm going to teach you the 4 basic figure of Chachachá. So first figure. So it's basic lang naman. So first figure natin is 1, Chachachá, 2, Chachachá, 3, Chachachá, 4, Chachachá, 5, Chachachá, 6, Chachachá, 7, Chachachá, 8. So first figure natin is 8 repetition. Now let's move to second figure of Chachachá. Okay. So second figure is back. Put your right foot the back. So 1 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, second figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3 repetition po and a half ito. So, let's do it. The second figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No. 3 and a half lang yun. Pinul ko lang. Then, okay, so now let's do the third figure of Chachachá. So, it's like this. Forward lang to. Okay. 1, 2, turn. Tap, tap, cha. Again. Third figure. Forward. Double step. 1, 2, turn. Cha-cha-cha, back. Forward. Turn. Cha-cha-cha, back. Forward. Turn. Cha-cha-cha, back. 4 times. Okay. Next. The last figure of Chachachá. So, Chachachá first. Cha-cha-cha, forward. Cha-cha-cha, forward. 4 times. Cha-cha-cha, forward. Cha-cha-cha, forward. Then after this, cha-cha-cha, turn. Cha-cha-cha, turn. Cha-cha-cha, turn. Cha-cha-cha, turn. 4 times again. And last is backward. Cha-cha-cha, back. Cha-cha-cha, back. Cha-cha-cha, back. Cha-cha-cha, back. And cha-cha-cha, back. So, that's all. That's the 4 basic figure of Chachachá. Thank you.